Hello guys, this is my trading journal for Monday the 23rd of November. My name is David and I'm also known as the Spread Doctor. A quick announcement before I get started. We have decided to change the frequency of my trading journal. So at the moment I post 3 journals a week, one on Monday, one on Wednesday and one on Friday. That frequency is going to change to become 2 times a week. So this week I'm going to post a journal today, i.e. Monday, and the next one is going to be on Friday. I'm going to skip Wednesday this week. However, from next week on, the new format is going to be a journal on Wednesday and a journal on Friday. So this is going to be my last journal on Monday. Now on to the markets. And at the closing bell today, all the equity indices closed higher. And the outperformer of the day was the Russell 2000, which was higher by 1.8%. But the markets didn't start off being very bullish and heading in one direction. The market started off kind of mixed and a bit like a drunken sailor, not going anywhere in a hurry. But by lunchtime, the markets got a boost or a lift by what I'll refer to as the Janet boost. So around lunchtime, a story which had been making the rounds for some time finally got confirmation. And that confirmation was that Janet Yellen, the former Fed chairman, is going to be the next Treasury Secretary. The markets got the news, the markets liked the news, and they stamped a seal of approval on Biden's choice for Treasury Secretary. That sent the equities higher, and it became a risk-on day. The VIX went slightly lower. Gold was down, silver was down heavily, silver was down by about 3%. The treasury yields went higher as money came out of safe haven assets. So that was what happened in the markets today. The Yellen boost just made all the risk on guys take over and the safe haven assets were sold. The VIX was down by 4% to close at 2266. And in spite of the positive COVID drug news and Janet boost, the VIX still remains above the crucial 20 level. I don't know what it's going to take to push the VIX below 20, but as an option seller, I'm quite happy for it to remain above 20 for as long as possible. Moving on to trade ideas, I had no new trade ideas today, but one of my December positions hit its profit target today, and that position is now closed. And that position is this one here in mRNA, Moderna, closed out today. You recall I mentioned it in my journal on Friday that I would like it to close out this week. For more information on that position, you can go to the Trade Ideas Alert Forum, or you can click on the link that I'll drop below. I now have only 2 open positions left in the December contract, and that is in BABA and PDD. BABA and PDD. I'll just quickly run through them. So BABA, this one here, I sold the 250-245 put spread at $1.50. My short strike is 250. Let's see where this thing closed out today. So BABA closed at 270 and my short 250 strike is comfortably out of the money and no action is required on that one. The next position is in PDD, and in this one I sold the 120-115 put spread. My short put is the 120. Let's see where this one closed. PDD. It closed at 141, and yet again my short 120 put is conveniently out of the money by over $20, so no action required on that one as well. Moving on to my watch list. I have got 3 items on my watch list today: EBS, PDD, and UNG. Let me quickly go through them. So PDD I've already got here, and this one implied volatility is 58, that's why it's on my list. EBS, this one has got implied volatility of 71, and the final one is Nadigas ETF, UNG. UNG has got implied volatility of 64.2. So those are the 3 items on my watch list, and that brings me to the end of my journal for today. And the main highlight for today is that the frequency of my trading journal is going to change from 3 times a week to twice a week, and it's going to be on Wednesday and Friday from next week. I would like to take this opportunity to wish everyone celebrating Thanksgiving in North America a happy Thanksgiving in advance. I think Thanksgiving is on Thursday. Yeah, happy Thanksgiving in advance, and to everyone else, have a lovely day. I shall see you on Friday. Thank you. Bye.